Alright, welcome back to another Make Math Make Sense Master Classic Math video brought to you by your host, Shalongo. Today we're in the Algebra 2 course in the complex numbers unit going over parts of complex numbers. Let's go ahead and get into it. Z equals negative 60i plus 80. What is the real part of Z? What is the imaginary part of Z? What is a complex number? Let's go ahead and define that now. Z equals, where Z is a complex number, A plus BI, where A is the real part, is a real number, and BI is the imaginary part. But note that B will be some number, right? B will be some number. You may also see it expressed as A plus radical negative B, right? So same concept here, right? Same concept here, where the radical plus negative is the BI part. All right? So with the real part, which is A, we get the imaginary part, which is the BI part. Cool? All right. So we're looking at this. We want to see, where's the I? The I is here. Cool. So negative 60 is the imaginary part, and the real part is 80. And I'm just going to type that in. So the real part was 80, and the imaginary part was negative 60. We don't need to include the I, so we know that it's the imaginary part. Okay, that's kind of important here. All right, real part. We're looking for the number, negative 13. Sweet. Imaginary part, the number in front of I, negative 52. Boom, done. What are the real and imaginary parts of Z? The real part, 77. A is in. D is in. B and C are out. The imaginary part, negative 27.8. Right? Remember, the imaginary part is just the number in front of the I. Does not include the I. They're trying to trick you on A. The answer is B. What is the real part? What's the number? Negative 91. It's my favorite number. Well, not negative 91. Positive 91. What's the imaginary part? What's the number? What's the coefficient of I? It's the coefficient of I. That's all it's saying. The coefficient of I is 14.6. Coefficient of the number be multiplied to I. And those are parts of complex numbers. Good luck.